as a person with undiagnosed ADHD, I often struggle with my organizational skills. I've tried for years to have notebooks, post-it notes, reminders on my phone, lots of different things, and things just sort of end up not working. So this uh, ADHD Planner app is really useful because it keeps your tasks in one place, and it allows you to do so much more as well. And like, I haven't yet used all of it, but as I go, I'm using a little bit more each day. So I'm finding that it's going to be a really, really useful tool. Um, uh, it might not be for everybody, but I recommend at least giving it a try if you've tried everything else, or if you're new to trying stuff, just give it a go. It's, it can't hurt.